Welcome to Ask Auto Trader, where we answer your burning questions. Well, our question today is, what features should I be looking out for when taking a Lexus NX200 for a test drive? Well, the Lexus NX300 has since replaced the NX200, and that means that there are quite a few 200s floating around in the second-hand market. And these are just some of the features you should be looking out for when taking one of these for a test drive. The first thing you're going to want is make sure that you get the right derivative. And the one that you're really going to want is the F-Sport. That's the one that has all the bells and whistles. Another thing that you can be looking out for is the beautiful 2-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Absolutely magnificent. You could check the automatic. That's also a very nice feature, 6-speed automatic. And then of course there are the interior features, nice leather seats, and of course the technology, things like the rear view camera and so forth. One of the things that you should be looking out for, just to see if you actually like the way it works or not, is the touch mouse pad interface with the infotainment screen. A lot of people don't like it, some people do. But it's one of the things that you should play around with before making your final decision. Well, there you have it, folks. There's just some of the things that you should be looking out for when you want to buy a Lexus NX200. Well, there you go, folks. Your question's answered. Now, if you have a question of your own, you can head on over to autotrader.co.za, go to the Ask Auto Trader icon, submit your question, and you may just be seeing it in an upcoming episode.